Hi, my name is Kim Rowan. I'm originally from Athy in County Kildare. I went to school in Athy, but I came up to Dublin to go to college in UCD, and I'm still here now. I didn't start planning my own career until maybe later in secondary school, perhaps around 5th or 6th class. It was really then I got an understanding and realised which subjects were I had a strength for and I preferred over others. And it was at that stage when it really got down to completing my CAO form that I considered what it is that I'm actually good at and what I would like to do perhaps. So it was at that stage that I realised that maybe accountancy was the way for me to go. When completing my CAO form, I put down UCD and the BCom degree as my first choice. But under the commerce degree, the subject I chose, or the stream I chose, was finance. Basically, in my second year of that degree, I became aware of the milk round and the opportunity to train as a chartered accountant. So I applied via the milk round and then was taken on by PwC. And PwC really involved dealing with our clients' tax returns and gathering tax information. Now, as you'd expect, going into PwC, I was going in as a junior, and I was working in the personal tax department. I was dealing with clients requesting their tax information for the purpose of preparing their tax returns. And my clients at that stage typically were your sole traders, your corner shop individuals, high net worth individuals, or some people who may be employees with some other elements of income that was subject to tax. Now, as I progressed and my role developed within PwC, my day-to-day work varied quite considerably. So I moved away from compliance and into consultancy, and really what that involved was my clients moved to more corporates and dealing with their employees who were coming over from overseas jurisdictions, maybe like the States or Australia and so on, and sitting down and explaining to those individuals really what the Irish tax system was involved, what type of tax they might be paying here in Ireland, the difference between the Irish tax system and their home country tax system. Well, when I finally got my results, and these are my FEE results, and realised actually I passed, because I was absolutely delighted to see that piece of paper when I opened it that morning with my now husband. And perhaps was one of my most proudest and happiest days in my career so far, was actually realising, yes, the choice that I made was the right choice. All of the hard work and combining study with work had paid off, and at the end of the day what I've now become is a chartered accountant as a result of that hard work. After 4 years working with PwC in their tax department, I moved and joined Chartered Accountants Ireland. I'm currently now the tax manager with Chartered Accountants Ireland, and I'm also a lecturer for the Chartered Accountancy qualification. What I find interesting about my current role is the range of work that I'm involved in. On a typical day, really, I could be doing anything from dealing with some of the government departments on tax policy, dealing with members in terms of their own tax issues, or dealing with their issues that they may have in their dealings with their clients, and also in many tax publications. The advice I would give for students filling out their CAO forms was perhaps advice I would like to have received at the time, is that really to build on your strengths, what it is you like to do, what you believe that you're strong at, and believe really that you would like to base a career on in the future.